look at these. How many are you taking?
Why did you buy only 3?
I don't think my mom will see this, so.
Girls. And yeah, it's actually kind of painful, but beauty's pain, you know.
No, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys!
Today I'm with Sam.
And this is special guest Sumi.
From Ola Style Korea.
She only speaks Korean, but we're gonna help us her out today.
So basically we have purchased the products that we sell in our page for a cheaper price. That's why everyone's buying bulk. Yeah.
It's like wholesale market.
Yeah. So first we're gonna show our purchases first, so you guys please.
What'd you buy? Like this big.
I don't know how much you guys spend, but let's start from the... So I bought stickers.
I didn't know they're selling that.
They only sell it in Japan.
South Korea.
I bought this NART hair loss control tone because I'm starting to lose my hair because I dyed it so many times. Next, I bought sunstick.
Hey, that's what I just did. That's what I did.
You bought this one?
I didn't buy this one, but yeah.
It's really comfortable to apply it on top of makeup. That's why I bought it.
Exactly.
And
just wash the interview, please.
Yes. And then next, I bought 2 of this spot cream. I usually use this when I have breakouts. And when my acne is starting to come out, yeah, I use this to calm it down. Yeah, it's actually kind of painful, but beauty's pain, you know.
No, okay.
Bought the different blemish treatment. It's also a must for oily skin like me because I have acne scars, and this will help to
Same as well.
fade it. Yes.
Maybe I should buy this one next time for sure.
And then I bought a bunch of makeups. This is just for like glitters. This time I want to try it. And then lip balm, but it has a little bit of color. I know I had too much lip products, but I can't stop buying it. You know how it feels, right?
I don't see the difference, to be honest.
You can't see the difference.
같은 하늘 아래 같은 색은 없다.
맞아요. Girls, you know, right? You know my feelings.
Yeah, you guys know my feelings too, right?
And then next, I also bought a cushion, and this is the one that I've been using recently because I have oily skin, and this has like a matte finish. So for people with oily skin like me, this is also a must-have. And the last one I bought a cream actually. I'm only oily on the outside, but my skin on the inside is kind of dry. That's why I bought a oil-free soothing cream. Yeah, it's moisturizing on the inside, but it's not oily on the outside.
Looking nice.
And that's it.
Empty boxes.
Yeah.
Unboxing mine. Yeah, it's like the first time I open. But look at these. Look at these.
All the same
Actually, nothing's mine. Actually, from my mom's, my girlfriend. So. I have like how many? 1, 2, 3.
Is this all the same
4.
thing?
Yeah, same product. But
Bean cream.
Bean cream. Yeah, actually, my mom actually recommended me to buy it. Also, my girlfriend is talking to my mom and talked about this cream. And next one is toner. 4. Well, actually, there's
5
more.
each.
5. I have no idea. My mom's gonna do something.
6.
Like you guys might see my videos that I have a lot of toners putting on, so it's like, yeah, it's actually good for face makeup.
Ooh, you know something.
Yeah, I've been here more than like 3 months, so I know something. Yeah, I have one sunscreen.
Oh, is this for you?
No, it's for my mom actually.
믹슨이에요?
Yeah.
대박이다.
Are you
I'm
paid
like-
by MIXSOON to promote this?
I think this is the last one, but everything is
there's a
1, 2,
lot.
3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
이거 팔려는 거죠?
I'm not sure my mom's trying to put in a Craigslist. It's literally just B2B. Yeah, not direct to customer, but yeah, it's direct to mom.
Oh,
I don't think my mom will see this, so. Mom, girlfriend.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell this to your mom. It's time to throw him away.
진짜 어떻게 믹슨 맞았어?
아 근데 엄마가 엄청 좋아해요. 모르겠어. 엄마 뭐 친구한테 주거나 하겠지 뭐. Sumi, show yours now.
월급의 반 정도가 날아갔다고 생각하면 돼요.
I wouldn't tell about secrets, but
It's you know.
콜롬비아에 있는 저의 가족들의 선물도 있고 엄마 선물도 있고 아빠 선물도 있고 친구 것도 있어요.
Now I look so bad because I bought for myself. So I bought a sticker.
먼저 요거 평강률 우리
that
외할머니
was so
거 이번에 저희 아버지의 생신이었기 때문에 하나 더 샀습니다.
Oh, birthday to him.
어른들한테 주기 굉장히 좋은 선물이라고 생각해서 주름 관련해서 미백 그리고 저희 아빠의 요청 토너를 더 많이 쓴다. 그래서 돈을 하나 더 줬어요. 이런 센스 있는 딸.
Sorry, Dad.
짜잔. 이것은 헉슬리 핸드크림입니다.
Oh yeah, I heard this is really famous.
Huxley
Like,
has
yeah.
really good sense.
저는
I
진짜
swear.
저를 위해서 머리 끝부터 발끝까지 이번에 다 구매를 했거든요.
오.
이것도 몇 통을 샀냐면 5통 샀습니다. 모로칸 가든거고요. 제가 너무 반해서 2개는 엄마의 친구 선물용이고
엄마 친구까지. Only one is yours.
향 정말 좋아요. 이렇게 바르고 있으면 무슨 향이야? 이거 나만 알 거야.
More room garner.
샴푸를
우와, 아로마티카.
3통을 산 이유가 성분이 굉장히 좋아요.
Rosemary.
그 로즈마리 때문이 아니라 원래 샴푸는 설페이트가 많이 들어가는데 설페이트가 굉장히 두피에 안 좋아요. 근데 사실은 노화가 두피에서부터 오거든.
My first
I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't know that.
저는 설페이트가 없는 이 로즈마리를 사용하고 있고요.
They recommend
약간
this for my hair.
근데 탈모가 진행됐으면 탈모 샴푸를 쓰는 게 좋아요. 연락 주시면 제가 추천해드릴게요. 제가 또 성분 굉장히 많이 알거든요. 토코보 선스틱.
We recommend this.
이거 쌤 영상에서 한번 찍어주고 갖고 쓰고 있는데 제가 피부가 진짜 예민해서 원래 유기자 찰 쓰면 여드름이 나는데 얘는 안 나요.
오.
그래서 나 진짜 깜짝 놀랐어.
She found the perfect.
그래서
sunscreen.
이거를 4통을 샀어요. 왜냐면 저희 엄마가 이거 쓰고 엄청 좋아했거든요.
Eye patch.
Stop! How many are you taking?
Why did you buy only 3?
아니.
아니 나한테
엄마.
뭐라고 해야 될 게 아닌데.
이거 제가 해명할 수 있어요. 어머니의 날로 선물로 줄 때 제가 이거 하나를 선물해 줬더니 너무 좋다고 제 발끝까지 샀다고 했잖아요.
Quick care is also important. Yeah.
이렇게 2개. 제가 이거를 마케팅하려고 올라 페이지에 올리고 내가 너무 궁금해서 샀어요. 셀프 마케팅.
Oh yeah, she's also the marketer.
Oh yeah.
너무 많아요.
But this one is really good. Even I use this myself.
이거는 제가 쓰는 용. 제가 얼굴이 예민하기 때문에
But I use this one too.
카밍 티트리 요거를 쓰고 있는데 이거 너무 좋아요. 편해.
It's like a tissue coming out.
Yeah, yeah. It's really sanitary.
빼서 붙이고 머리 말리고 그러면 그렇게 해서 얼굴에 있는 수분을 날리지 않게.
That's true.
이거는 제가 엄마한테 한번 선물해줬는데 이거 쓰고 나서 자기 효과를 본 것 같다 강력하게 주장해서 이번에 또 4통을 샀습니다. 콜라겐이랑 펩타이드 그리고 제가 또 요새
Yeah, I can't believe.
다이어트를 하고
she's
있거든요.
I tried this one. It's really good. It's like
Yeah.
healthy food, a diet food, but it also tastes good, which is rare.
이거 맛을 진짜 고민을 많이 했어요. 근데 맛있다고 하니까
The
안심이
brownie's
되네요.
good. Brownie's.
It's not
잘
good
모르겠으면
flavor.
초코 맛을 사라.
Chocolate is the safest.
콜라겐이랑 히알루론산
So you mix it with water and then just.
Just shake
그냥.
it together.
Ah,
그냥
just the
이렇게.
powder.
Oh, just with that water.
Oh.
Wow.
사실 저희 회사 있는 거 다 먹어봤거든요. 이게
야.
제일 맛있어요.
Yeah, so
8개.
Hand cream.
이제 콜롬비아 제 친척이 한 트럭이거든요. 버스 하나에 저희 가족이 다 들어갑니다.
Can I be your family?
남자 친척 많아요. 어때요?
속에 좀.
그리고 다음은
오케이.
좀 민망하게도 제가 팬티를 힙스터
sensory.
Wow, I didn't know Sacred also.
율라웨어.
Oh, the sport brand.
샀어요. 누가 좋다 그래가지고.
It's really famous in Korea, right? To
It's
make
like a pressure band.
your tungari small.
압박 스타킹. 다리가 엄청 붓더라고요.
Does you
근데
drink too
친구가 이런 거 하나 하면은 다리가 안 붓는데요.
So is it comfortable?
편해요. 확실히 붓기가 줄어들었어요.
Oh, this one is really good. I
이거.
have one of
하루.
it.
바쿠치올의 레티놀의 대체
Alternative.
성분으로
Yeah,
얼터네티브 성분으로 유명해가지고 이거를 한번 4통을 사봤습니다.
This is good.
이건 실험용으로 3개를 샀어요. 이게 2개 다 펩타이드 크림. 펩타이드가 주름에 좋잖아요. 다 써보고 이것도 엄마가 마음에 드는 걸로 이렇게 또 열대 몇 개 사겠죠. 테스트를 하고 제가 또 엄마가 좋다 그러면 또 온라에 올립니다. 요즘 저의 소소한 즐거움이에요, 여러분. 왜냐면 나는 피부가 민망하니까 이 제품 저 제품을 쓰고 싶어도 쓸 수가 없어요. 하지만 우리 엄마는 그냥 막 발라도 괜찮은 피부니까 그렇게 해서 저는 마케팅 정보를 얻고 있습니다.
Okay.
이 3개를 고르는 기준도 있었을 거예요. 다 성분. 이것도 펩타이드가 있어요.
Anti-aging.
그리고 이데베논인데 이게 항산화 베스트. 이건 이제 있는 주름을 없앤다기보단
Prevent.
프리벤 예방인데 얘가 진짜 엄청 촉촉하게 나와서 보습력이 뛰어나서 왠지 엄마가 좋아할 것 같아요.
Hey, that was cute.
This is new.
제가 원래 20살 때까지 여드름이 진짜 많았어요.
But it looks really
Yeah,
like
look at her.
clean
Yeah,
right
skin
now.
looks
그
nice,
너무
right?
스트레스 받아서 그래서 그때 성분 공부도 진짜 많이 했고 그래서 그냥 나는 파데프리로 살아야겠다 해서 좀 선크림만 바르거든요. 그래도 조금은 보정하고 싶어서 좀 톤업이 되는 선크림을 바르고 있는데 엄마가 그걸 보고 자기도 그런 톤업 선크림만 쓰고 싶다 해서 톤업 선크림을 샀어요.
We're selling skincare. Please buy now.
For $10.
안 돼! 전 몇 등이야?
Yeah, this is heavier. This is my final workout. So
7등? 저렇게 많이 샀는데 7등밖에 안 돼?
guys, stand up and watch this. So yeah, let's just briefly see it. Yeah, Iliune.
이거 진짜 좋아요.
Yeah, this is
쓰고 있어요.
it's for eczema.
She also bought the same thing she bought.
맞아. 역시 모르칸 같은
Huxley.
향이 좋아요.
Yeah, she had
무슨 향이야?
I
향
think
정말
so.
좋아요.
isn't tree.
저도 저거
Really?
썼었거든요.
Toner.
이것도 진짜 성분 좋아요. 전 성분 좋은 거만 씁니다.
Another toner from Mamonde. Oh, she has another Mamonde too. Mamonde.
Oh, I used this one. It was good.
Yeah, she loves
이거는
Mamonde.
마몽드를 좋아하시.
I'm a MIXSOON. She's a
Another
Mamonde. Oh.
오 역시 역시
Girls.
girls.
I found a gem. Anti-hair loss shampoo.
이거 지금 나샤 필요한 거 아니에요?
And Nature Republic has the brand ambassador is NCT.
Look at this empty, ripped. Look at this is top 4. What?
So colorful though.
Ah.
I don't even know where to start.
잠깐만 이분 맛을 아시네.
Oh,
Her other beauties.
vitamins,
이것도
collagen,
맛있어요.
평강률 toner. Oh, Essence toner. This
Toner. Okay, I mean, I'm pretty sure girls love toner, so.
언니.
Bella Monster Serum.
this line is actually really good.
Derma. I think I saw
이거
this.
진짜 좋아요. 그 성분도 진짜 너무 좋고 향도 너무 좋고.
Dr. Jar. Oh, this is famous. Actually, I know this one too. Yeah.
I see my favorite brand.
X is Y. Yeah.
Gel mask. This is so good. It's really soothing and it makes your skin feel refreshed. I love this. Even though I don't have it, but I tried it like so many times.
You even went there.
내가 좋아하는 브랜드 Mary&May 워시오프 팩인데 얘가 좋은 게 색깔로 기능을 구별할 수 있고 그 뭔지 알죠? 제품 이름이 다 성분이에요. 그래서 저처럼 성분을 사랑하는 사람에게 굉장히 좋은 브랜드라고 할 수 있죠.
Stephen,
진수야.
what did you buy?
From what I heard, this one is for his mom.
Yeah.
Only for his mom, and this one is for his girlfriends and friends. And he bought this much, an expensive one.
Yeah.
약간 차이점을 보면 여기는 확실히 부모님 거라서 그런가 건강 그리고
Yeah.
비타민도 있는데 여기는 보면 여기 메이크업도 있죠.
Yeah.
See, like
여자친구
there's
거라서
Muse.
그런가
This one especially AHC eye cream.
eye
for
cream
face.
is really
very 유명.
famous.
Very,
Yeah.
very famous. The thing right in front of me is called Sohasu. It's
맞아.
really expensive in Korea. Most
맞아,
expensive
맞아,
thing in
맞아.
Korea. Can I open? Oh,
오.
It's an expensive one. Don't break it.
look at how luxurious and for parents, girlfriend.
It looks really expensive.
Delamex,
실라메.
Derma Nature Fresh Blackhead. What's good for jojoba?
제가 알기로 블랙헤드
For
이런
blackheads?
거
Oh,
피지 뺄 때 되게 좋다고.
do you guys know this one?
이거는
아,
클렌징
클렌징
오일.
오일.
근데 아로마티카는 기본적으로 성분 굉장히 좋게 나와요.
And they're also like environment friendly, so they can reuse all the packagings, and you can just
아,
go
맞아,
there
맞아,
and then
맞아.
yeah,
맞아,
store all
그걸로
the
유명해요.
plastics. Yeah.
So this is that's why I scream. The reason why I scream is this is number 1, the top
Top one. Employee
first out of
purchase,
employee purchases.
근데 이거 얼마예요?
Yeah, I think he put all the salaries already. So you'll see like this, right? Yeah, this is actually really pricey. Like you guys will see in the.
You can check the price yourself and calculate it yourself.
Yep, this is it. So if you, we actually review not everything, but most of our employees' products. If you guys want to know about different products, also like some products that you guys want to like us to review, please comment down below, and we'll see it. And you guys might see us in the
Next video.
our next video. We have to say bye to people.
Mm-hmm.
See ya.
Bye.